Welcome to Cheeky Kids Land.
Hello kids, today I draw an iPhone with a cute emoji. Okay, so let's start drawing. First, I draw a phone. Just draw a rectangle, a long rectangle. And then I draw a camera. I draw a iPhone 13 Pro Max. Which phone do you like the most? Tell me in comment box. Do you have phone? And now I draw an Apple logo. Okay, I have done my phone drawing. So let's start to draw a emoji. I draw an emoji, the cute smiley. First I draw the eyes, the eyes is closed. And then eyes is moving. Yeah, wow, super cool. And then I speed up my drawing. Okay, so let's start coloring. First I take the purple color. And this is the sky color. I make it a rainbow. And then I'll take a yellow color. I'm doing rainbow coloring. And then fourth one is red. Green color. Orange color. Yay! This looks so nice. And then I take the purple color again. This is the pink color. And this is the blue color. Oops. And in the camera, I take the pink color. And this is a purple color. This is a camera. And I am doing the yellow color in the emoji because every emoji is in yellow color. Mostly emojis is in yellow color, so that's why I'm doing yellow color. Yay! Okay friends, I have done my drawing. If you like my video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
Bye bye.